My name is Serena. I'm from Switzerland, and when I was 12 years old, God put on my heart to be a nurse and to be a missionary in Africa.
My name's Brianna. I'm from the United States, and when I was 14, God called me to be a missionary and to work in Africa with women and children.
Bri and I met on the birth attendance school in 2012, and while we were in East Africa, we realized that God had given us the same vision.
And through our training, God practically showed us the challenges that women in East Africa face throughout their pregnancies. Every day, 800 women die due to pregnancy-related problems. This woman is 100 times more likely to die during her pregnancy.
Then this woman.
Nearly half of all child deaths occur during the first month of life.
In most African countries, only half of the women receive skilled help during their pregnancy.
One way to change these statistics is by training up local midwives to impact their own communities. Our desire is to make training available in hard-to-reach villages so that women can be properly cared for throughout their pregnancies. Through all of this, we want Jesus to be the center, and we want to see His kingdom come and His will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
We cannot see this change happen alone. In Africa, they say, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. So together, let's see the region of East Africa transformed.